This demo video is about resetting the board. We've set one up here on the bench, just as it would be in the machine. Now the first thing you've got to do is bridge these 2 points. I just use a bit of wire with a couple of terminals on it. And as long as that sits in there for 10 seconds, you can press down these 2 buttons and up comes factory reset. So you confirm it with this button, and once that's saved successfully, you can then select your model number. Now you increment it with the left button, and we'll set this up for a BT 2000, which is 22000, and I went past it. Right, you can just scroll back around to it, and there you have it. So next, it'll ask for a serial number. This is just a demo board, so we can just go through each number. You can increment to set each number what it is. For this it doesn't matter, but the number will be on the bottom right hand corner of the machine. Next. Okay, so then it'll ask you, once you've done all the numbers, it'll ask you for the drain installed. Is it enabled or disabled? That means, does the machine have a drain pump? A BT 2000 doesn't. An AP, all the APs, they have a drain pump, so you either enable or disable it. Next one, descale. None of our machines have descale, so it's always disabled. The rinse heater fail switch, there's no rinse heater fail switch, so you disable that. Rinse level sensor. Now, because this is a 2000, it has a sensor. If this was a Cafe Mate that had a float switch, it would be disabled. Old air bell. So a 2000, depending on what year model it was, any machine with an air bell that's screwed in is an old air bell. Any air bell that's welded to the tank is a new air bell. So that's why you either enable or disable. And that's the last one, so you can confirm it and save, and that board's set up ready to go. If you make a mistake and you need to go back and change it, you can't go back. You have to restart by just holding down the buttons and do another reset. And once this is reset, you or the user, no one can go back and change these details. So once it's set, anything set here is set for the life of the machine. And unless you go and do another reset, of course. So you can, turn that on and off, or make whatever changes you want, but that's how you have to do it, with these 2 pins bridged. And as long as you save it, then the machine will go back into standby. You pull out your bridges and you're ready to run the machine.